welcome to a video that is sponsored by Noah's Ark, aka a bloody rainstorm, a really heavy rainstorm, in fact, followed by a goddamn thunderstorm and lightning storm. That's so loud. I've been playing 24 hours on this Lego Incredibles game. Cool. And whatnot. I have 7 minutes left of tape. I'll try and record as much as I possibly can. Oh, you're kidding me. There's oh my lord, Jesus, there's still kids over there. Whatever. Damn. It's kind of like raining up in this bitch. I think y'all start running on it. The people. Boom. That's getting lighter. I think it's getting darker down in the East End or whatever. Whoa, yeah. Oh. Damn. Trying to get a raindrop on the camera. Yeah, I did get a raindrop. Yeah. Ow. Right on the damn camera. I mean, yeah, I know I did it myself, so yeah, blame me, but whatever. Go on, run. Hyper station down there. It's Keel Station and Dundas West Station. Whatnot. (7:28 p.m.) Tuesday, March 31st, 2026. Whatnot. Ow, fuck. Fucking hit that shit. Oops. There. Oh, the camera's all fucked up now. Hold up. Oh, the TV just got darker. I panicked for a second. I thought the power. I was like, I hope the power didn't just ran out. Because I don't even have any lights on, because I don't even notice. Even though there's like literally power there, because there's lights showing. Like everywhere, literally. Whoa! I think I caught that on tape. There's a train. Wow. Okay. I like how many people don't be. Well, I mean the rain's kind of clear up, but damn, people don't be. People don't seem to be as concerned about or running around or whatever. Anyways.